If you want to keep things interesting when watching NFL games, I have a free NFL Squares template you can download for Excel. You can pick the teams, place player names on individual cells to see who wins. This is good even for people who don't know anything about the NFL. The Squares game looks at just the last digit of the team's score. In this example, Seattle's final score ended with an 8, and New York's ended with a 6. So in this example, player E is the winner. The 8 and the 6 intersect, and so that is the person who wins based on the final score. You can also track winners based on each individual quarter and not just the final score. With this spreadsheet, you can manually fill in a player for each cell, or you can use the macro to automatically assign them. Just list the player names and then click on Fill Remaining Cells. And the spreadsheet will automatically randomly assign the players to those different cells. You can also randomize these numbers. If you're interested, check out the link in this video's description for more details, and there you'll also find a download link for the file.